Setting up your site design and pages. Once you sign up, you're going to be able to go through the site maker process to design your site. We make it really easy at Portfolio Village to help you with design and with navigation. So the first area that you'll be in is the design area, and in here you can pick out a template to use. Now there's a whole bunch of them. You can scroll through depending on what you wanted to do. Of course, we have many different kinds of templates for you to choose from. Of course, we have a portfolio template, and basically any of these templates could be adapted to a web portfolio. Because everything is so editable in Portfolio Village, you can literally change everything on any template. So just to show you a few, and then there's also some professional. So if you had some sort of specialization in your academic discipline, for example, if you're a reporter, maybe you'd want to use the reporter design. So there's a whole bunch of them that you can kind of go through. Once you pick out a design, I'll use the reporter one, you're going to click Next. And once you do that, now you're going to be creating your pages. And ultimately here what you're doing is you're setting up the navigation for the site. Now don't worry about seeing different navigation points that you may not want. For example, if you didn't want to log in, it's very easy to delete that page later on when you get into SiteMaker. But for now you want to pick a general page template setup so that it's easy for you to start putting content in. For example, there's one here for CV or a resume, which is perfect for a web portfolio. Provides employment, education, skills, references, contact information. As well, if you are looking for other types of setups, there are plenty in here. A class site, for example, a video site. Maybe you want to put together a fan site. There are also professional page setups for different types of businesses, professional services. You could start off with a blank one. Anything that you would specifically want to do, you can probably find a template in here. You could even use this for university projects, college projects, school projects, by creating mock businesses, or even for nonprofit use. As well, there are setups for clubs and groups. Different types of groups in here for you to choose from. So once you pick out a page setup, and I'm just going to use portfolio, you click Next, and then you're going to choose your website. And right now I'm just going to choose Dr. DeMarco, and I'm going to put in the site name and then a description for search engines. And if this is a portfolio, you're going to want to put portfolio in here so that our search engine will pick up that you have a portfolio in Portfolio Village. So I'm just going to put Dr. DeMarco's portfolio. And now I'm going to hit Next. I'm going to choose a username and a password. And now I'm going to hit Next. And once I go in, now I am going to agree to the terms. And then SiteMaker will launch. And I'll be able to go in here and edit this website. You're only seeing a small piece of the site now, but if I grab the window and I pulled it down, you'll see the rest of the site maker, and we have other videos that are going to show you how to edit this site later on.